is for angelfish.
Angelfish, angelfish.
It swims around like it's showing off its glittery angel wings underwater.
B is for blowfish, blowfish.
It puffs up like a spiky balloon that forgot how to deflate. C is for catfish,
catfish.
It wiggles its whiskers like a tiny underwater cat going meow blub, going meow blub.
D is for dolphinfish, dolphinfish.
It zooms around like it drank too much ocean energy juice. E is for eel,
eel.
It wiggles like a slithery underwater noodle trying to escape the soup.
F is for flying fish, flying fish.
It jumps out of the water like it thinks it's a tiny airplane.
G is for goldfish, goldfish.
It swims in circles like it forgot what it was doing 5 seconds ago.
5 seconds ago.
H is for hammerhead,
hammerhead.
Its head looks like a toolbox someone dropped in the ocean.
I is for icefish, icefish.
So see through it looks like a ghost practicing underwater hide and seek.
J is for jellyfish, jellyfish.
It floats around like a wobbly umbrella with no idea where it's going.
K is for koi, koi.
It glides like a royal princess fish wearing glittery scales.
L is for lionfish, lionfish.
It shows off its flaky fins like it's saying, look, I'm fabulous
and dangerous.
M is for manta ray,
manta ray.
It flaps like a giant underwater pancake, learning to fly.
Learning to fly.
N is for needlefish,
and a needlefish.
so pointy it looks like someone lost their sewing needle in the ocean.
O is for octopus, octopus.
It wiggles all 8 arms like it's doing underwater breakdancing.
P is for piranha, piranha.
It bites everything like it's hungry every minute of the day.
Q is for queen angelfish, queen angelfish.
It swims like it's ruling the ocean in a sparkly royal gown.
R is for ribbonfish, ribbonfish.
It waves around like a shiny ribbon being blown by the water.
S is for seahorse, seahorse.
It stands upright like a tiny underwater cowboy riding invisible horses.
T is for tuna, tuna.
It zooms faster than a fish late for a meeting. U is for unicorn fish,
unicorn fish.
It has a pointy horn like it's the magical fairy horse of the ocean.
V is for vampire squid, vampire squid.
It looks spooky but acts like a shy little blob hiding under its own cape. W is for whale shark,
whale shark.
huge but friendly like a giant underwater teddy bear. X is for X-ray tetra,
X-ray tetra.
you can almost see through it like it's made of watery glass.
Y is for yellow tang, yellow tang.
It shines so bright it looks like a swimming sunbeam.
Z is for zebrafish, zebrafish.
It wears stripes like it's ready for an